heating now. Look at that. Let's see, she's still going? Yeah, she's still heating. I haven't checked in here for quite some time to see how the inducer's doing since they put a new one in. Put the new inducer motor and new gas valve in. Everything looks good. Hot? Yeah, it really is. It's a Costco inducer. It's draining good there, you can see that. Condensating good. The other one never did that, so it was installed improperly, causing that other inducer motor to fail. White Rogers. Yeah, I'm gonna put that White Rogers on there. Inducer motor should be flashing green now. Yep, normal status. No, this thing's been treating me good. I had a different guy do it, an older guy. He knew what he was doing. He did a good job. Labor was good, right price. Even though he wasn't a Coleman dealer, but he did it anyway, because there's no other dealers around here. It's very nice of him. Yeah. Blower fan still going. This is 60,000 BTU furnace, 95.5% Coleman. Look at what the cat dragged in now. More snow. I tell you guys, we're in for it. We're gonna get, what was it, 12 to 18 inches of snow. Now we were under winter storm warning. Now we're under a blizzard warning with ice and gusty winds. As you can see, it's drifting and blowing. I just shoveled that off my deck, and I got my Bobcat ready to go. It took 5 gallons of hydraulic oil. Yes, it was very expensive. So I got people asking me all the time if it gets tough. You can see it drifting off my tin roof there. If I got my Bobcat, and I said, well, I can't guarantee you it'll run because she leaks oil like a mofo when she's running, but well, hopefully she'll make it this season, and it's been fairly good. We've had almost a brown Christmas this year, but it's not looking too good right now because it's really windy and snowing, and it's icy, and yeah, it's just not a good time. So let's head outside and see how everything's doing outside. Oh yeah, we got Skippy in here. Hi Skippy, you keeping warm in here? Oh yeah, she's good. She's got it made in her, or he does, I mean. Sorry, he. Yep, I know. Collecting some, especially over here on the door. Hey, there's still leaves on that tree. So Skippy, you ready for the snowstorm? Huh? Okay. Well, YouTube, it's still snowing. And it's 1 in the morning. And it is, what day is it today? I forgot. Oh yeah, Tuesday. Is it? I don't know. I think it's Tuesday. I can't remember what day it is. Anyway. Oh, it quit snowing. Oh, no, it didn't. So you can see where my friend pulled up there, how deep it is. And the sky just looks funny out here. It's just an update. I'm going to put this on YouTube tonight. What's that? I don't know. As you can see in the light over there, it's snowing. I can hear the city over there removing snow already. Way over here. Hear it? Yeah, they're out because people are all bad. Well, they're supposed to be. You can see that they haven't removed snow. I don't want to focus on here. You son of a... See that? You stupid damn camera. Look at that sky. It's cool. Look at that nice snow. Oh well. You can stay outside, can't it? So yeah, got the Bobcat ready. The thing took 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid. I'm not kidding, 5 gallons. And it's still not quite full. Whatever. When I used Super Tech before, a year ago. Got her on a battery charger, hit the key. She cranks her fast now, so she's set to go. Look at that oil. Yep, she's leaking out of the wheel seals, and yeah, just not a good time. Not a good time. Oh, Mercedes, you better help me tomorrow. It should. Mint. Snickers. Hey. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Come on. Look at you. Oh, look at that. Acting all tough. Look at that tail. Never seen it that fluffed up. She's scared. Ooh, holy crap. Look at that tail. Is it? Are you okay? Holy crap. Look at that tail. Oh, she loves to play. She wants to play tonight. I'm sorry, but I'm not really in the mood to be playing. But where's your fishy at? Are you on your fishy? No? Where'd it go? Oh, she's got that cough again. Here it is. Here, get. She loves that fishy. It's just like her kitten. Why didn't you bring it back? Well, that did a lot of good. Look at that. She caught it. That's how much she cares about it, don't you? Alright guys, well, I'm going to end this video here. I'll probably record not me removing snow, but... Well, that wasn't nice. So, I can't just sit there and film and record me removing snow. Don't have a camera person, and I don't want to set the camera in the snow. So, anyway, I better get to bed. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. I did. Very good Christmas. Have a good night, everyone, or a good morning. And, yeah, go from there.